Hello friends, welcome to this channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. In today's session we are going to see how we are going to find the inverse of the matrix. So this is the matrix which 3 by 3 means 3 row and 3 column. So we are going to find out the inverse of this 3 by 3 matrix. To finding out the inverse of any matrix, we have to see or remember the simple steps, and based on that simple steps we will get the inverse of any matrix. So what are the different steps? First we have to find the determinant of given matrix, then we have to find the adjoint of given matrix. How we are getting the adjoint of matrix? For that we already prepared the video. You can check the description box. We'll get the video link. Then in third step we have to divide the adjoint whatever we are getting with the determinant of given matrix. Then we will get our inverse. Then we'll get our inverse of given matrix. So we already prepared some lectures regarding mathematics. Link available in description box. You can check. So first step is what? To find the determinant of given matrix. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix, 3 row and 3 column. For that, in the first step we have to find the determinant. So determinant A, that we are getting 1 0 minus 1, 2 1 minus 1, 2 3 2. So this determinant we have to find out. So first plus 1 into, we have to hide this one, this row and this column. So 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, minus, so second position, that is 0, then plus this third position, that is minus 1. So we have to hide this row and this column. So that is remaining 2 1 2 3. So 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So here we are getting minus 3 minus, so it will become plus. So 2 plus 3 into 1, that is 5. So this is a 0. Next 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. So this 0 will be cancelled. So 5 minus 4, that is 1. So determinant of this given matrix, the value is 1. So here we completed the first step. Second step is what? We have to find out the adjoint of this 3 by 3 matrix. To finding out the adjoint of this given matrix, we already prepared the video. To find out the adjoint of matrix, you can check. So first we have to find out the cofactors of this matrix A. So what are the cofactors? That is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So what are these? These are the row and column position. A11 means this one, A12 that is this 0, A13 that is minus 1, A21 that is 2, A22 that is 1, A23 this column and row position minus 1. So A31 this position, that is 2, A32 that is 3 and A33 that is this row and column position, that is 2. So we have to find out these cofactors. So first one A11 that we are getting. So we have to hide this first row and first column, that is 2 1 minus 1 3 2. So 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So here we are getting plus 5. So minus minus will become plus. A12, that is this first row and second column we have to hide. So 2 minus 1 2 2. So 2 into 2 4, minus 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. So minus minus will become plus. So here we are getting 4 plus 2, that is 6. A13, A13, that is this position. So we have to hide this row and this column. So 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So here we are getting 4. Then A21, first row, sorry, second row and first column. So 2 into 0, that is 0, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So here it will become 3. A22, second row, second column. 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So here we are getting 4. A23, that is this position. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. So 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into 0, that is 0. So here 3. Then A31. So A31 means this position, like this. So third row, first column. 0 into minus 1, that is 0, minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So here we are getting minus minus plus 1. A32, this position, third row and second column. So 1 into minus 1 we are getting minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So here minus minus will become plus. So plus 2 we are getting, plus 2 minus 1. So we are getting plus 1. A33, so this position, third row, third column. 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 2 into 0, 0. So it will become 1. So these are the cofactors of this given matrix. So what are the cofactors? 5, 6, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. Now for these cofactors we have to give the positive and negative signs. So based on what? Based on row and column position. If addition of row and column position is even value we are getting, then it is given as positive sign. If this addition of row and column position, if we are getting odd value, then we have to give negative sign. Then we have to give the negative sign. So here 1 plus 1, addition of row and column position, 1 plus 1, that is 2, even number, so it will be positive. 2 plus 1, 3, odd value, negative. 3 plus 1, 4, even value, positive. 2 plus 1, 3, negative. 2 plus 2, 4, even value, positive. 2 plus 3, odd value, negative. 3 plus 1, 4, so it will be positive. 3 plus 2, 5, that is odd value, negative. And 3 plus 3, 6, even value, that is positive. So we have to give this sign to this position. You have to give this sign to this position. So here we are getting, so this plus sign, so it will be plus 5, this will be minus, then this will be plus, right? Then this position minus, then this will be plus, this will be minus, then this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be plus. So here we are getting cofactors of given matrix. Cofactors of given matrix A as 5 minus 6 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 minus 1 1. Now we have to find out the adjoint. So for that, finding out the adjoint, so for this, whatever the cofactors we are getting for the given matrix, we have to take the transpose. transpose. So in transpose what happened? Row become column. Row become column. So here the adjoint of given matrix, adjoint of matrix A will be become, so here row will become column. So first row will become first column. So 5 minus 6 4. Second row will become second column. So minus 3 4 minus 3. Third row will become third column. 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 1. So this is the adjoint of given matrix. Now we are at the third step. So here what we have to do, to finding out the inverse of the matrix, we have to divide the adjoint A with determinant A. Adjoint A with a determinant A. So what value we are having for the adjoint? 5 minus 3 1 minus 6 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 1, and that we have to divide with the determinant. So determinant value we already find out, that is 1. So here the inverse, last step, inverse of the given matrix adjoint we divided with the determinant, that is 1 value. So we are getting 5 minus 3 1 minus 6 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 1. So this is our inverse of given matrix. This is our inverse of given matrix. So these are the easy steps we have followed, and based on that easy steps we find out the inverse of a given matrix. Now this is for your homework. So find out the inverse for this 3 by 3 matrix and this matrix, and put your answers in comment box. Put your answers in comment box. So we are prepared already some videos in the mathematics. Check the description box for these lecture links. If you like this video, press the like button and share the content. Always stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.